So to create our Fibonacci spiral, first we need to select our ellipse tool. Then hold down the Shift key and draw a tiny circle. Zoom into this circle and we can make it a fill instead of a stroke. Now with the circle selected, make it 10 times 10 pixels. Then go to Edit, go to Copy, then Edit again and paste in front. So now we have two circles right here. So with the top circle selected, go to the Y field and type in plus 100, which is 10 times the width of the circle, and press Enter. So now we have a copy of the first circle, 10 times the width of this circle further down. This number is not important, you can choose whatever distance you like, I just think this looks good. Then select both circles, double click the Rotate tool, and in angle type in 20 degrees and click Copy. Then click Ctrl or Command D to copy this step until you have a full circle. Now pick the Selection tool and select all the circles. Or actually they're probably called dots. So now with the dots selected, right click the dots and click Group. This step is important. Now go to Effect, go to Distort and Transform and select Transform. And here we have this pop up. And this is where we are going to adjust our Fibonacci spiral. And just a quick side note, none of these numbers are absolute, which means that you can adjust them to your likings. But I just think that these adjustments look good. So I will type in 83 and 83 right here. And we can click Preview if you want to see what's happening. And then in the Rotate angle, type in 32. And lastly, we want to type in how many copies we like, which is how many copies we want going to the middle. Here you can choose a low number like 10 if you want a hole in the middle, or you can use a higher number like 40 if you just want it closed all the way. And here we actually have the spiral. You can adjust the angle if you want it to be more or less spiral-like. See, if I raise this to 35, the dots are more in line. And if I lower it to 30, the lines will be less obvious, but 32 is a good middle point. Then just click OK. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.